In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Cash App to Navy Federal Credit Union. So you want to click on your profile in the top right corner. Then we want to go to linked banks, which is the third option right here on Cash App. Now from the linked banks section, we will have the option to link a debit card. So click on it. Now right here, we have to select no card. And it will give us the option to link a bank account through Plate instead. So we just gotta click on continue. And right here you should see the Navy Federal Credit Union bank. So click on it. And then here's where you will type your credentials and it will walk you through the authentication process on Cash App. So it's completely legal and easy to do. So you just gotta authenticate your account through here, and then your Cash App will be connected to Navy Federal Credit Union. So I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.